Okay, so we're going to do one more example of factoring. Let's do an example from your homework packet. So we have 17x squared minus 11x plus 2 equals 2x squared. Okay, so this is not in standard form, so we're going to put it in standard form so we can solve it, because remember, the equation always needs to be set equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 2x squared from both sides. These cancel out. We have 15x squared minus 11x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, we're in standard form. Perfect. Now we can solve this. All right. So let's just assign values to the coefficients. So A is 15, B is negative 11, C is positive 2. We're going to make our factor map. I'm going to put it over here because I ran out of room. A times C on the top, B on the bottom. Two numbers right here. These are going to be the same. Okay, great. So we are going to need to find A times C. So we have 15 times 2, which is positive 30. And then C, and then we are going to put B down here, which is negative 11. Okay? All right, great. So we need to find the factors of positive 30 that when added equal negative 11. Okay? So I'm just going to start writing out the factors of positive 30. Let's start with negative 5 and negative 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Both are negative. They're going to give me positive 30. And negative 5 and negative 6, when added together, give me negative 11. So, perfect. These are the ones that I'm going to use, okay? Now, the same numbers are going to go up top. So, negative 6, negative 5. Okay, great. I'm just going to erase this really quick. Okay, so these two numbers, remember, are what we split our B value into, okay? So we're going to split our B value into negative 6x minus 5x. And then we just drop these two down, remember? And then we have 15x squared. Okay, perfect. So remember, we're going to group and create our factors, and we're going to be left with 15x squared minus 6x. I'm sorry, I'm going to erase this. You know what the coefficients are already. Okay, so 15x squared minus 6x times negative 5x plus 2. Okay, so we're going to factor out 3. We will be left with 5x squared. Oh, wait, we're going to factor out a 3x. Okay, so 3x. We are going to be left with 5x minus 2. Okay, and then on the other side, remember, we want to try to get whatever equals 5x minus 2. We have a negative 5x plus 2. So I'm going to factor out a negative 1. So that way we will be left with 5x minus 2. And we know that when these two are equal, we have made the proper math. Okay, so I'm just going to make this one of our factors and make this one of our factors, okay? Sorry, I'm going to erase a little bit of our factor map. Okay, so we're going to have 3x minus 1 and then 5x minus 2. Remember, I got that 5x minus 2 and then 3x minus 1. Okay, that's where I got these from. Now I'm going to set both equal to 0. Okay, now I do plus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 2. 3x equals 1, divided by 3, divided by 3. X equals negative 1/3. 5x equals positive 2 divided by 5 divided by 5. So now I have run out of room. No, just kidding. Now I have my answer as x equals negative 1/3 and x equals positive 2 over 5. Okay, let me just double check our work in the packet, and we have got the answer.